cocoa cream chocolate pie. Take one. All right.
Ain't she fancy?
If you guys know Billy, you know he likes chocolate. So he's been after me for this chocolate pie for how long?
Oh, a month or two.
So we're going to try it. Hershey's cocoa cream pie. So first off, I have 1 1/4 cups of sugar in this pot here. We're going to turn this on a little bit here, maybe. All right, then we've got 1/3 cup of cornstarch. That's a lot of cornstarch.
Yeah, it is.
And 1/2 cup of cocoa, just the 100% cacao. See that? 100% cocoa, unsweetened. So we got all that in there. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Bam.
That's it for our dry ingredients. And I already have a baked 9-inch deep dish pie shell. So while Billy was doing his ham and cheesy potatoes, he let me put my pie in there, my crust.
Well, yeah, because I want that pie.
Okay, so now we're just going to blend in 3 cups of milk into this. And if you know you've messed with cocoa and milk or liquid, it's hard to try and get that cocoa dissolved into that. So we got the whisk.
It helps if it's a little warm, too.
Yeah, so we're going to get this all done up here. Guys, we've got a lot of new subscribers, and we just want to say how much we appreciate it.
We feel so blessed.
It makes our day. We just love you. We're just out here doing our thing, hoping that we can build a community, and we have such great subscribers. Family, as we call you. So come on in to our family and stay. If you have any suggestions, let us know.
Yeah, we're up for about anything. We'll try making something.
We
as in her.
Yeah, you got a mouse in your pocket.
Well, when I say we, I mean us, because, you know, we're one.
Yes, yeah, I got you. So we got all that mixed in here. Guys, look how easy that is. And all's left is some butter and vanilla, and we'll put that on in after we take it off the burner. So right now, I got my little recipe here. We're going to blend this and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until it boils. And then we're going to boil for 1 minute. And then we're going to take it off.
Oh, say it ain't so.
I did.
Okay.
So guys, if you would just hype our videos too, that would help us. And I think we figured out that you can hype 3 videos a week. So we'd appreciate that if we were one of them. I don't know if it's 3 on each person or 3 total. So
and if you don't know where the hype button is, it's on the same line as where the share button is. You just slide it to the left and it'll come up hype.
Yeah.
It's real simple.
Just as you're leaving comments, you can leave one of them comments and hit the hype and the like and all that for us.
Don't cost you nothing. It helps us out tremendously. And we appreciate it very much.
Mm-hmm. We like to have friends. We don't have many in real life. We hang out together.
Pretty much. Oh, Miss Connie's got a lot of friends. But I'm her favorite.
Yeah. Yes, he is. All right, we'll pause here and let this cook and get to boiling, and then we'll be back and finish.
As you can see, I'm having to do all the work.
Hey, that's what a sous chef does, off camera. He's swirling it up there, because we got to constantly stir it. See Santa Claus in the background and one in the foreground. Look, they almost look alike. It was got red on and white hair. And he's got a whisk in his hand, Santa does, and so does this one. Huh. I haven't seen Santa and you in the same picture before, but now I do.
What are you trying to say? Do I need to grow a full beard?
I'm saying you must not be real Santa because we got two of you in the same picture. All right. Ready? All right, guys, we're boiling. It's thickening up. We're putting 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla and 3 tablespoons of butter.
Butter.
Mix that all up. Get that all melted in there. Yeah. And then Billy's going to be in heaven with this pudding pan.
And while we were off camera, guys, we added a pinch of espresso.
Yeah, because he likes espresso in his chocolate goodies. So I was like, well, I got some espresso powder up there if you want to stick some in there. But that is not the normal recipe for this. So that is...
It's just because we like it, or I do.
He does. All right, look how thick that is. Oh, my butter didn't get all stirred up, but it'll melt right
It'll
there.
melt in there.
And this is a full deep dish 9-inch pie pan.
Guys, if you could smell this, that chocolate smells so good.
Now that he knows I know how to make homemade chocolate pudding now, it'll be, oh, no more.
No more of that store-bought.
So look how good that looks. We're going to let that sit there for a little bit. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator after it cools just a little. And we'll be back to do a taste test. He will.
Man, I'm going to hate that.
All right, look at this. He's into the pan. It's hot.
Oh my. Wow. That's really good.
Can you taste the espresso that you put in there?
Barely.
Yeah, you just put very little bit. That's all we put.
Way better than any pudding you can buy. Oh my goodness.
And so easy to make.
Look at that.
All right, guys, he's in heaven now.
I'm in chocolate heaven here.
All right, guys, we chilled the pie for a few hours, and now Billy's getting ready to do the taste test because, you know, he hates that. He's fell over because of his love of chocolate. Look at him. He's like, just give me the pie and not just this piece, probably.
I think I can eat the whole pie. That is really good.
So, chocolate cream pie, guys. Fix this. Put this on your Christmas table. Dessert table.
Fantastic.
There's what it looks like. And he said, I don't know why you cut it in so many pieces. I can't eat that many. I'll just take the whole pan, probably.
Yeah, I can only eat one piece. Not all of them pieces.
All right, guys. I think this is a go. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Wiggly Show. Peace out.